Hi guys, so I realized today that I haven't really properly introduced myself, so I thought I'll do that right now since some of you don't really know me. My name is Afa Ah Loo. I am 37 and I was born and raised in the tiny little island of Samoa, not American Samoa, Samoa, and I moved here to the United States about 6 years ago, and I live now in Utah. I am happily married to my wife, and we have two children. Eldest is a girl, and the youngest is a boy. And this is a picture of my wife and my kids. So yeah, I am a self-taught fashion designer. I grew up in Samoa, surrounded with a very creative mom, and my mom knew how to sew, and she loved weaving and stuff. So I kind of grew up seeing that, and also realizing early on in my life that I was a creative because I was my most happiest when I was creating with my hands. So that kind of like, started my interest in just being a creative. But I didn't really know what it was. I knew I loved creating clothes. I started sewing my sister's clothes, my mom's muumuus and pulitasis, my own school uniforms growing up in Samoa. But I never really didn't realize that was gonna be the thing that I would get into as I grow older. But being in the fashion industry for a very long time, I have been able to work hard to get to the point where I'm at right now, and I'm still working hard to get to a better place. I've been in the fashion industry for a very long time, and my work has been featured in multiple fashion magazines such as Elle magazine, Vogue UK. I've also shown my collections all over the world, in London, New Zealand, Australia, Fiji, Samoa, LA Fashion Week, just to name a few. I was also on a little show called Project Runway on Bravo, and one of my dresses, I was personally invited by the Queen of England, I love that story, to show one of my dresses in Buckingham Palace in front of the royal family, to represent Samoa. And that's pretty much me in a nutshell. If you have any questions about my journey and just me in general, just feel free to ask me in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer those questions. But I hope you get a little snippet of who I am.